Hey there, kids. Thanks for taking a minute to click away from Willy Bonky and the Chocolate Factory. Fucking gross. Did you ever feel like taking up smoking dope? Quitting school? Maybe opening up your own business? Say in the biodiesel industry? You ever wish you had a way to get the attention of that smoking hot hippie chick in your gym class? So some of you have already seen Casa has been sold. That means I got to deconstruct all these tanks. Finally got the big ones empty. The guy who bought the company's taking the steel ones. But these poly ones, these are all mine. Full of shit, full of tubes. Got to cut them up into little pieces. I don't have the luxury of time to film all that. So I'm just going to take it in little chunks. And as I clean the place up, I'm going to share it when I can. De-sludging the tanks. Man, I can't wait to get home and tear my wife's panties off, man. They're fucking killing me. Ew. Well, the grease layer that's stuck to this floor is incredibly difficult to get off, even with a pneumatic floor scraper. Although the guy that bought the company took my fucking air compressor, so I can't even use that. But it's only a 3 or 4 inch scraper that I got. I picked up another one, I think it's 8-10 inch. I was pushing it around and it's a motherfucker, man. So I put a little addition on Clarky here. I just took a tube, welded the end shut, tacked it on real quick. We're going to try it out. I got the angle, I think, right. We'll find out if it's going to scrape any better than what I was doing by hand. But I'll just cut that off, grind it up, and the guy that got the forklift from me isn't going to be the wiser. You fucking sucker. Wants a J. Now, I was dreading taking down this containment wall, but it turned out to be a piece of cake. It may be true that President Camacho is the best at building walls, but Joe30P's the best at taking them down. This fucking thing. This is definitely the bane of La Casa de Grasa, tank number 4. This is where all my grease trap waste went. And when the guy sucks it out, mostly the water comes out and then all the sludge stays in there. So that's what happened this time. There's no easy access to the top to slurp it with the vacuum hose. So what I had to do today is put about 500-600 gallons of water in there and then blow into it on the bottom with the vacuum pump, like so. Man, once this stuff starts bubbling, it smells like a bag of dead dogs in here. Yum, yum. Timber! That's what you call a fart smeller. I mean a smart feller. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, maybe not that smart. Well, that about sums up the day in La Mazo de Gares, Greasy Polygrod. So if you ever want a dirty job, start a grease company. The payoff is there. It's real. But man, does it fucking suck for about 5-6 years or however big you want to build it. I'm just looking forward to shooting these Joe30P videos from the Caribbean. Well, I'm going to say it one more time. Do me a favor and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Tell your weird friends about this channel. I need some more subs, man. Come on. Thanks for watching.